Okay, it's high level paper 1, question 4. Let's go to the calculator page, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to find out what these roots are, even though the question says without solving the equation. But we can very quickly check any answers we may have got. If I do press menu, go to algebra, go to polynomial tools, and find real roots of polynomial. We do have a polynomial of degree 2. We don't know if our roots are real or not, so I'll consider getting complex roots. And we'll set up the coefficients to be 2, and then 4, and then -1, and click OK. And that constructs the command, which when we press enter gives us our two roots. Now we're told that there's alpha and beta, so let's just define alpha to be the first one of that. So if I press Control Template to get defined as equal to, I then go up and paste in these two answers, and then Control left bracket or left parentheses, and then type the number 1. We'll put the first value of this list into A, and then I can go and do exactly the same thing, but this time B is defined as being equal to one of those statements, but this time I'm going to put Control left bracket the number 2. Alright, so you're plucking out the two numbers for A and B. Now we're being asked what alpha squared plus beta squared is, so it'll be just A squared plus B squared, and we end up with the value of 5. And we need to find a quadratic equation with roots, alpha squared and beta squared, and therefore that would involve. So what we're going to do to help us do part B is I'm going to set up a graph page. I'm going to type in a function that's x minus alpha squared multiplied by, alpha squared, move outside the power, multiplied by x minus beta squared, and just draw the graph of it. Now it's the equation of that which I'm trying to find. And so a way in which we can get the calculator to tell us the value of this function in an expanded form, given that we're using a numeric handheld. It's going to be a little bit convoluted, but I think we can get there in the end. Let's insert a new page. We'll go to list and spreadsheet. We'll call it x coordinates and y coordinates. And I'm just going to pick some typical x coordinates. I'll go -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then for the y coordinates, I'll press y equals, and I'll apply my function f1 to the list of x coordinates, like so. And then what I can do is I can go to a data and statistics page and plot my x coordinates against my y coordinates, and I get the shape of the curve that I'm looking for, and I'm going to see if I can fit a quadratic to that. So I'll do menu, analyze, regression, and show a quadratic, and lo and behold it gives me the equation of the quadratic to be 1x squared minus 5x plus 1/4. And we're done.